Welcome to Sterling Junction. This is Houses Assembly. Let's come discover. Here we are at this highly anticipated neighborhood. We're located right at Sterling Junction here, and this is the showpiece right here. This is our 17-story tower. We have a rooftop amenity on the top there. We have a north, south, and west view. We have lots of great new commercial properties coming out. 500,000 square foot with our Hines 10-story commercial towers. There's 3 of them coming up here. Super modern, timber frame. 100 transit score, connectivity all around, right? We've got 2 TTC transit subway stations within a 5 and 8 minute walk. We have Lansdowne, we also have Bloor West, literally walking distance away. We also have 2 GO train stations coming. We have the Smart Track Dairy GO train right over here on that west corner. And then on the east side, we have the existing GO train line connecting to Kitchener and Union Station. On top of that, we have UP Express, right? What is that? We're going to the Toronto International Airport just within 15 minutes. We also have 8 minutes down to Union Station on UP Express as well. So overall, you have 100 transit score. You also have streetcars coming on Dundas West, 505 and 504. Super connected, everything coming. 1,000 units sneak peek. It's from Pemberton, all right? Coming right here into this neighborhood. Bike path, kilometers and kilometers of beautiful trails for biking and walking. And you have connectivity on this side, as I said before. You got the very smart track going on the west side. On this side, on the east, you have your Kitchener GO train line and UP Express.